So over here, I have an object right here, and let's say I want to make a selection of this object right here. So I'm going to go to object selection, and let me just go ahead and make the selection right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to refine my selection right here. In that case, you can go ahead and refine the edge right here, just like this. So once you go around onto refine edge, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and work around with the border level right here and change around the refinement according to how you want. You can go around and make around the selection as you want right here. So you can go around and zoom it in as well, just like this, and zoom out right here, just like this as well. So apart from that, you can also work around with the brush right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here onto my hand right here, and now select this out, and you can go around and add in more selection areas as you want as well. Let me just go around onto black, and you can remove out the selection as you want right here. So let's just go around over here and remove out the selection right here, just like this. And then let me just go around and zoom this in even further right here and change around the size right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And then you can go around over here and zoom out right here. And let me just go around over here and add this in. So if I were to go around over here and drag this across right here, just like this, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around and then work around with the selection. So apart from that, you can just let's say for example zoom out right here, just like this, and this is what you have, as you can see. You can go ahead and work around with the border right here as you want, just like this as well, and then further make corrections as you want, that it removes out the border that you drew right here, just like this as well. So if I were to go around and press OK, then certain selection happens right here, just like this, as you can see, with the similar softness and everything. And you got a selection right here, which is a refined out selection that you have after that particular refinement that you have right there. And that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the refine as of the selection inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.